Hi guys, welcome to ARC Virtual Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss what is GSTIN and what is its structure. So first, we will discuss what is GSTIN. GSTIN is a short form for Goods and Service Tax Identification Number. So any person registered under GST, he will be assigned with a unique identification number. That identification number is called GSTIN. Registering under GST or obtaining GSTIN is absolutely free of cost. And for that, you need to visit www.gst.gov.in and apply for registration. You will be allotted GSTIN number within 15 days. So what is the structure of GSTIN? Structure of GSTIN is it is a 15-digit unique identification number. So each registration will have a unique number. And what does this 15 digit contain? We'll see. So in this 15 digits, first two digits will be state code, and next 10 digits will be PAN number. 13 digit will be number of registration, and 14 digit will be check digit. 15 will be a random number or characteristic. Okay, what is this first two digits state code? State code means each state will is assigned with a state code. If you see, Jammu and Kashmir is having 01, Himachal Pradesh 02, 03, and so on. West Bengal 19, Maharashtra 27, Karnataka 29, Andhra Pradesh 37, Telangana 36. Like that, each state is assigned with a state code. And if you are registering in Punjab, you will be having 03 in your first 2 days of your GSTIN will start with 03. If you are registering in Delhi, first 2 days of your GSTIN will be 07 and so on. So next 10 digits will be your PAN number. Whoever applying for the GSTN should have a PAN number, and based on their PAN number, the next 10 digits, that means third to 12 digits will be decided based on PAN number. Whatever your PAN number is having, same digits will be repeated, and 13th digit will be number of your registration. So in a particular state, if you are having one registration, that GSTN number will having 13 digit will have one as a one as a number. If you are obtaining a second registration in the same state, you will have two. If you are obtaining third registration, you will have three. If you are obtaining fourth registration, you will have four, and so on. Similarly, 40, next 14th digit. 14th digit is Z. It will be common for all the GST numbers. It is a check digit, and so it is common for all the GST numbers. It is reserved as a it is reserved for future use. If future GST numbers should have any other parameter, they will use this 14 digit, and they will change it accordingly from Z to whatever they want to change. And next 15 digit will be Q. 15 digit will be a random value. In this example, it is Q, but generally it is a random value. It will be a number or a alphabet ranging from A to B, a number ranging from 1 to 9. It can be anything. So this is all the structure of GSTN. If you see, uh, 3 to 12, I said it is PAN number. Again, this PAN number will have some meaning. We'll see what is the meaning. First three characters of a PAN number will be running from A to Z. Something will be there. It can be anything. It is an alphabetic series running from A to Z. And next, fourth digit of PAN number represents the status of the PAN holder. So if the PAN holder is an individual, it will be P. In our example, it is P. It means this PAN number belongs to some individual. If it is F, it implies that it belongs to partnership firm. If it is C, it belongs to company. If it is H, it belongs to HUF. If it is T, it is trust, and so on. So fourth character of PAN number and sixth character of GSTN represents the nature of the entity. What is the status of the holder? This PAN or GSTN holder. You can identify the nature, whether it is an individual, firm, or a company. And next, fifth character of a PAN is a last name, first digit of their last name or surname. If my surname starts with K, my fifth character will be K. If my company name is Infosys, I will have it as I. My company name is Reliance, I will have it as R. If if I'm an individual and my surname start with G, we'll have G. So fifth character of a PAN number indicates the first letter of your surname or last name. Next four digits are running between 0012 to 999. It is a running sequential number. And last character of a PAN is an alphabetic check digit. It can be any alphabetic. It is a random value generated based on the system. And thus you can identify from which state a unique GSTN is registered based on first two digits. From PAN number, next 10 digits is PAN number. From PAN number, you can identify whether he is an individual. From fourth digit of the PAN number, you can identify whether it is an individual, company, firm, partnership, trust, whatever. And from fifth digit, you can identify the first word of the uh, company's name, or first word of the individual's surname. and from 13 digit you can identify number of its registration in the state. If it is having first 3 registrations or 4 registrations, what is the registration number. 14 digit is a check digit and 15th is a random value to maintain the unique quality of the